What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to make Windows 11 taskbar transparent. Note that there's no way for you to change your taskbar transparent using the taskbar settings or any settings on your computer. So to make this transparent, you need a third-party tool. To get this tool, go over to your Microsoft Store, click the search icon on your taskbar, then search Microsoft Store and open it. In the store, go to the search bar and search Lively Wallpaper. Then click Search. Now select this Lively Wallpaper by Rox Danister. Next, install this application and wait for it to finish downloading. Once it is downloaded, open the app. Now in the Lively Wallpaper window, click the settings icon at the top right. In the settings page, go over to the system. Now look for the taskbar theme, then click the drop-down arrow and select Clear in the option. After doing this, it will change the taskbar to transparent, as you can see on the screen. Now close the application and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.